Watch this. Yeah, peanuts. Yeah, stupid cycling helmet wearing peanuts. Ah, come on, speed up, you Riverside Garden Cafe dickhead. Yeah, there we go. Took a while, didn't it? Peanuts. The largest selection of plants in the city. Yeah. I reckon the driver is some sort of potato. What are you doing? You just blocked up the road, you absolute idiot. Let's just watch a minute. Yeah, as I thought, a bit of an idiot. Quite an idiot, a very, very big idiot. Oh, good luck to you, man. He's gone on the motorway. Jesus Christ.
I certainly want to run. And similarly, 300 crossing points there. That's amazing. We've got a fantastic...
Oh, come on, man. Watch this, boys. Watch this. There we go. That's how you do it. That is how you do it properly. And you failed again. And you failed again. Watch this. This is how you do it properly. You bunch of muppets. And you've parked at a bus stop, you bellend. Bus stop, bellend. Whoa, what's going on, Benji? Stop picking on people.
This is hard.
What a prick.
Beer gardens. Right, park yourself in a beer garden. Dangerous spot.
F***ing idiot, what are you doing? Use your f***ing eyes, you silly little cunt. You are... What word are we going to use today? We're going to use... cunt.